Perhaps the best part of this journey was the type of passengers on board as well as the affordable price. Most passengers kept them to themselves and were ready even before the announcements were made by the airline crew.
올라갑니다. Going up.
The self-service luggage check-in machine involved zero human interaction. Remarkably, the line for the machines was less than 5 minutes long. If you plan to carry more than 7 kilograms for carry-on luggage or 15 kilograms for checked luggage on Jeju Air, I would strongly advise pre-purchasing additional weight online, as airport purchases incur a premium of 50% per kilogram. Fortunately, my luggage remained comfortably within the limits. We boarded a Boeing 737-800 series aircraft. The seating configuration was a 3x3 layout with all seats allocated to economy seats. The legroom was adequate, though my knees nearly met the seat in front of me, and the seat back could have benefited from additional cushioning. Nonetheless, the seats were serviceable for a flight of 5.5 hours. On longer journeys, however, comfort might become an issue. On the brighter side, the airfare was exceedingly reasonable. The round-trip ticket from Seoul Incheon International Airport to Chiang Mai International Airport amounted to 343,200 Korean won, approximately $248. Though some aspects of seat comfort could have been improved, both air circulation and reading lights were satisfactory. The upholstery's color and pattern added a subtle aesthetic interest. As the aircraft taxied toward the runway, the airport staff waved warmly, a gesture I greatly appreciated. Exhausted by the day, I attempted to rest on board, enjoying pastries I had procured en route, as dinner was not included. The dimmed cabin lighting post-takeoff was particularly welcome. The landing was smooth and secure. In my perspective, a safe landing outweighs ancillary inconveniences. No dinner, minor seat discomfort, or even a slightly firm touchdown are matters of little consequence. A practical tip for travelers arriving at Chiang Mai International Airport is that many establishments, including mobile service providers and currency exchange facilities, close by midnight. Anticipating this, I ensured the Grab and Bolt ride-sharing apps were installed and used the airport complimentary 30 minutes Wi-Fi to arrange transport to my hotel. Comparatively, Bolt often proved 5 to 10% more economical than Grab, contingent on local demand. Additionally, I pre-arranged a Thai baht currency pickup at a bank in Seoul Incheon International Airport, which remains open until 9 p.m. to secure favorable rates. The return flight presented a different experience. With an influx of tourists from another nation, the airport appeared to be operating at full capacity. Despite renovations in 2014, the facility seemed not entirely designed for such volumes. Nonetheless, the airport's proximity to the city, approximately 30 minutes by car, was highly convenient. A note of caution: many airport establishments, including eateries and duty-free shops, begin closing around 11 p.m. Departing Chiang Mai was tinged with nostalgia. The locals' warmth and kindness were remarkable. The return flight proceeded uneventfully. Fatigue allowed me to sleep almost immediately. By sunrise, we had re-entered Korean airspace, and the landing surpassed that of the outbound journey. It is intriguing how the Incheon Group, a Korean conglomerate, or chaebol in Korean, originated as a soap and dishwashing liquid company 6 decades ago, and now operates an international airline. To put this in perspective, imagine a multinational consumer goods corporation like P&G, Procter & Gamble, or Unilever owning and operating an international airline that transports both passengers and cargo. This has been honggwan. I hope you found this video both informative and engaging. Your support through a like or a subscription would be much appreciated. Until we meet again, take care.